How to fix payment method problem on the Play Store easily and fast. So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in less than 50 seconds only. So first thing you have to do is make sure to close your Play Store and then go to the settings on your phone. From here, open the apps manager like this, and now go to the apps and go to the Google Play Store app from here, and now click on the power usage details. After you click on this option, you will find many options here as you can see. All what you have to do is force stop all these options by clicking on this option. After that, click on the force stop again right here, and then click on the storage and click on clear data. Click delete, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.